Hi friends, welcome back. Today I'm really excited and thankful to all our viewers whose continuously support and blessings have been there with us. Thank you for that. Thank you so much for that again. Today we have come up with a very wonderful project, again with a Toyota Fortuner with a complete Audison active setup. Customer had come seeing our video with a very clear intention that he wanted a beautiful music setup in the vehicle without disturbing any of its original parts or original aesthetics as such. But his sound expectation was really very high. So we have matched his expectation. We'll come back with his review very soon if it's possible. More than that, we will take you to the entire setup. The video shows you the entire layout, how we have designed the setup, how we have built up the setup. And last but not the least, we will come up with a very beautiful audio tuning part also and the audio testing also. Come, let's have a look.
Hold me tight, don't you say no. Save the love we have forevermore. Oh, Sajana, Sajana, Sajana re. I just Sajana, Sajana, Sajana.
So this is what we have installed in this vehicle, where we have used the Audison Voce 3-way active in the front. We have used the Audison Coaxial for the back doors. We have used this APF 8.9 bit processor, a complete 8-channel active processor in this setup. We have used this Audison active subwoofer. So this is the entire job what we have done. Along with that, we have used this Coaxial amplifier wiring kit, a complete wiring kit. We have used the carbon series damping. It's a dual level damping for this vehicle, which has really make the sound elevation very nice. We have designed a very specific pod which we can say it's a customized pod, and this vehicle, which the video will be exactly showing it to you. So come, let's have an entire look on this setup now.
Hear my soul, my heart calling out to you. Be my eyes when I can't see. Be my voice when I can't speak. Be my light when darkness creeps on me. To the star that shines so bright, across the sky, across the night, making ways to be right by your side. Hold me close, don't let me go.
केवड्याचं पान तू, कस्तुरीचं रान तू, आभुळल्या जीवाचं गभान तू. केवड्याचं पान तू, कस्तुरीचं रान तू, आभुळल्या जीवाचं गभान तू.
सागराची हास तू, गाण्यावरला तू, आतुरल्या डोळ्याचं सफान तू.
तुझे याद कर लिया है, तुझे याद कर लिया है, आयत की तरह कायम तू हो गई है, कायम तू हो गई है. सफीना जन्नत भी गवारा है मगर मेरे लिए, ऐ कातिबे तकदीर मदीना लिख दे.
ਗਈ 1 2 2 ਉਹ ਕੁੜੀਏ what to do ਉਹ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਦੀ ਪਤੰਗਾ ਵਰਗੀ ਉਹ ਐਵੇਂ ਉੱਡਦੀ ਉਹ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਦੀ ਹਿੱਲਾਂ ਤੇ ਚੱਲਦੀ ਟੁਕ 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 ਕਰਦੀ ਮੇਕਅਪ ਤੋਂ ਕਰਦੀ ਆ ਅੰਗਰੇਜ਼ੀ ਪੜ੍ਹਦੀ ਕਿਟ ਪਿਟ ਤੋਂ ਕਰਦੀ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਕੋਈ ਨੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਵਿਕਟੋਰੀਆ ਤੂੰ ਕੰਟੀ ਬਿਗ ਬੈਂਡ ਦੀ ਪੂਰਾ ਲੰਡਨ ਠੁਮਕਦਾ
turns to sun rays and on we'll go through the wastelands.
My light when darkness creeps on me. Oh, Sajana, Sajana, Sajana.
So guys, thank you for watching this video. Hope you have really liked it. We would really appreciate your comments on this. So for all your valuable solutions of car audios, you can always contact Bafna Cars. We will come back with the best of best solution. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for the next.